Vanakkam everyone. Today I'm going to make apple pickle. So I'm going to show you the ingredients to make apple pickle. So first of all, the apple you need to take the green one. So if you want, you can make with red apples as well, but red apples are very sweet, so I like the sour one, so I'm just picked the green apple. So this is the main ingredient. And then salt. This is asafoetida. In the spoon I kept it. This one is asafoetida. Asafoetida is important for pickle, so if you want, you can go to the Asian shop, you can get it. Asafoetida, this one. And this is 1 tablespoon of salt. This is mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of chili powder. And the main ingredient is oil. I just take some gingerly oil. You can get it here, sesame oil, so you can get it from Tesco. Gingerly oil, this one is so flavor and good for pickle. So you need to cut the apples into small pieces, and 2 days before I just made it, like just cut it into small pieces. I add salt, chili powder, so together I just mix it, and I'll keep it for 2 days. So after 2 days only, it just soak with the salt. It's so nice and tasty. So with the salt, how long you keep it, so it won't spoil. You can keep it for a long time. So I did yearly, so 2 days before I did. So keep it here. So get the kadai ready with oil. So it's ready now. So the oil is hot. So first you have to add mustard seeds. I just added the mustard seeds. So it needs to burst. Yeah, it's getting burst now. I think you hear the noise, the sound. It's bursting now. So after this, add a 1/4 tablespoon of asafoetida. I'm just adding this. So now you see it's getting burst. So after the seeds burst, you can add the apple soaked in the salt and chili powder. I kept it here, so I made it 2 days before. So now I'm going to add this one to the kadai. See, it's getting ready. You just see the oil coming out, so you can switch off the flame once it's cooled. So you just transfer into the airtight container, so you can keep it in the fridge and you can use it for as long as remaining. Yeah. Thank you.
Bye.